In today's market, where supply chain risks have become increasingly common, one thing matters most: trust. At SQM, we believe trust is built through actions, not promises. Founded in 2014, SQM specializes in metal components manufactured through casting, forging, stamping, welding, powder metallurgy, and other forming processes. Our products are widely used in agricultural machinery, trailers, railway transportation, food processing equipment, energy, construction, and automotive industries. For over a decade, quality has remained our highest priority. To ensure consistent standards, we established our own testing center in Shanghai, where every batch of castings destined for Europe undergoes rigorous inspection. We operate according to German quality standards. From Sichuan to Shanghai and onward to Europe, we continuously optimize and integrate our supply chain operations. With strict control over assembly, inventory, and quality management, we work to minimize risks at every stage. By systematically integrating market resources, SQM has developed distinctive supply chain solutions. While maintaining consistent quality and service, we help clients reduce procurement costs by more than 15% and improve overall competitiveness. SQM has continued to achieve steady growth. We believe true strength stands the test of time and market cycles.
SQM is your reliable partner for your casting sourcing work in China. We focus on quality, on-time delivery, and attractive price. You can communicate in your own language with the same way of thinking as well. We take care of all additional work in the supply chain from door to door, including tariffs, logistics, and CBAM, etc. This will allow you fully focus on added value in your core business. We guarantee zero financial risk for you, no advance payment needed for tooling development and mass production. We strive to build up a family-style team. We pay attention to every colleague need, especially we encourage our colleagues keep studying. All the cost of study will be covered. Everybody is met in our company. After 12 years effort, our team has grown up to 93 members worldwide. We are delivering more than 3,000 articles a year and keep growing by over 500 new articles yearly. Give us a chance, you will gain a brand new experience for your casting sourcing work in China. Wish you a healthy and happy life. Thank you very much.
Each day begins with a shared sense of purpose as the SQM team moves forward together. SQM is more than a workplace. It is a professional environment where people feel respected, supported, and encouraged to grow. Freshly prepared meals and thoughtful daily support reflect the care we extend to every employee. At 3 p.m. every day, music fills the workplace as employees take part in light exercise together. We forge not only metal components, but also a healthy and energetic workplace. We believe dedicated service comes from motivated and responsible people. Work should contribute to a better life. Collaboration, perseverance, growth, health, and positivity all contribute to the strength of our team. SQM is not only a company that creates value, but also a place where employees can build their careers and shape a stable future. This company is shaped by the dedication of our 94 employees today and by the vision we carry for the next generation. With a long-term vision for sustainable development, we remain committed to quality and steady growth. Today, SQM maintains long-term partnerships with more than 60 specialized metal forming manufacturers across China, serving over 130 European clients with more than 3,000 product types, a number that continues to grow. To support stable operations for our clients, SQM has invested more than 6 million euros in inventory and supply chain support. Our warehouses function as an important extension of our clients' supply systems. Partnership goes beyond business. SQM is more than a component supplier. We are a dependable long-term partner committed to creating lasting value for our clients.